What's up, sarsaparillas? It's your girl Sassy J, and I am back for another video. Okay, so we all know it's Thursday, guys. We all know it's Thursday, and what happens on a Thursday is weight loss update, right? And guys, before I get into this video, I'm just gonna ask you, just do me a favor and thumbs up this video, please, please, please. Thanks very much. Thumbs up this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Yes, guys, please. And when you hit that subscription button and you're subscribed to my channel, please, 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 guys, please turn on your notification bell so you get updated every single time the girl uploads a new video. Do you know what? I feel like I just sounded a little bit American in that little bit there. Like, I'm not even American. I've never even been to America. But guys, anyways, I think, like I said it in a video way back that I have like a very confusing accent. So if y'all don't know that by now, and if y'all ain't used to that by now, that's y'all problem. Okay. Anyways, guys, so update is what you're here for. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know how it's going. How it's going? Not good. Guys, it's not good. It's not good. I feel like giving up. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I feel like giving up, guys. Am I wanting to give up on my weight loss journey or just give up with Exante? Sometimes I feel like I just want to give up when it comes to this weight loss thing, because I have fallen off once again, just completely off the wagon. I have just fallen flat on my face. I can't even begin to tell you. Like, I don't know. You know what, guys? I was having a conversation with one of the dietitians from the bariatric clinic, because you guys know that I'm going to be doing the VSG surgery, weight loss surgery, gastric sleeve, you know, just to break it down to you guys. So, you know, I was having this conversation with her, and I just keep saying to her, like, lately, every time I try to lose weight, like, I've been struggling. Like, I've been struggling, and I lose some. When I lose some, I feel happy about it, and then I gain it back. And when I gain it back, I don't just gain it. I gain it and then some, you know? And this is the problem I'm having, because, you know, my last video I did, I lost 3.3 pounds. But now I gain again, guys. Like, I gain. And, you know, her advice to me was, you know, she said to me, sometimes when people, you know, are about to do the surgery, patients are about to do the surgery, she always kind of, like, nowadays they tell them to not stress and not worry about losing weight, right? You know, when you're waiting, don't just try to stay the same. Try to stay the same. Don't try to lose it, because they've realized now lately that every time somebody tried to lose it, they end up put on more, you know, because your body gets to a point, especially if you're always losing and gaining, your body gets to a point where it doesn't want to lose the weight anymore. It's kind of just stays. It just holds on to every single pound, and then it fights to put on extra weight. And I was saying it to her, and she was saying to me, you know what? Maybe just don't, for a minute, just don't try to lose anything. Just try to maintain. That's the main thing. Don't gain anything. Try to maintain. But me being me, I'm always gonna want to try. I'm always gonna want to try, guys, but I'm so fed up. Like, I don't know what else to do. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm in between a rock and a hard place, because did I say it right this time? I hope I did. But I feel like, guys, like, I feel like one part of me is saying, you know, you still have your Exante stuff remaining. You still have some left. Just go full in. Go full in. And just Exante. Just do it. Don't do anything else. Finish it for like about 3 weeks. I probably have about 3 weeks stuff left. Or 2 weeks left. I don't know how much I got. Because I don't know how much I got left. Because remember, I had like a full box. And then I had like another box that I got for free. So I got quite a few bit left. So maybe I have like a 2 full weeks or something. Because, you know, if I had like 3 a day, I might have like 2 full weeks. I don't know. Because remember, guys, I was only having like 2 a day, 2 or 1 a day, because I was trying to do it my own way, which obviously my own way worked for a minute. It ain't working no more. Okay, it ain't working no more. But guys, I don't know what else to do. So, like, I'm asking you guys, what do you think I should do? I'm just like, a part of me is just like, forget about all of the dieting thing. Start from scratch. Eat healthy, cut things out, That's the route to go. Start exercising. I've joined the gym, but then I joined the gym and I realized that that gym don't actually open. And I really got annoyed, because I joined it because it was closer. to me, but it's not opened yet, and I don't know when it's going to be open. They keep saying it's going to be open. It's not been opened yet. But I'm just like, do I eat healthy and just eat what I want, but in moderation, and just slowly lose, even if it's just a half a pound or a pound a week or 2 pounds a week? Or do I try the Exante again and try to do it properly this time? Or do I go for a water fast? I don't know what to do. I'm confused as hell. So I'm asking you guys, my lovely subscribers, what do you think I should do? Because at this moment in time, I feel overwhelmed. I feel like I want to give up. And I always say you have not failed until you've given up. But I kind of sort of feel like I'm failing. That's how I feel when it comes to this. I feel like I'm failing when it comes to my weight loss, because I've never, yes, I've always gone back and forth, but I've never struggled this much. This, like, for the last year, it's probably the hardest I've fought to lose weight. Like, and it seems like nothing I do maintains the weight. You know, when I do lose, it doesn't stay off. It always just comes back. So I'm at this point, it's making me frustrated, because now I feel like I'm actually, when I lose, if I lose a stone, it's like I feel like I gained a stone and a half back when I do gain the weight. You know what I mean? So it gets more frustrated, because I'm just like, okay, well, I started at this amount, but now I'm at this amount. So it's kind of like, I'm not even where I started. I'm like more. And it's frustrating. It is so frustrating. And I want to give up, but I'm not going to give up, but I don't know what else to do. So I just decided, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm asking you guys, any ideas? What do you want me to try? Is there any diets out there that I'm yet to try and you just want to recommend? I don't know. Do I just try to eat healthy and try to exercise? Do I try the Exante again? What do I do? Guys, I don't know what. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Because I started comfort eating again, guys. I started comfort eating again. And it's not leading me to a good place. I don't know if you guys see my video on my vlogging channel, Sassy J Vlogs. I'll put it up here. But, you know, I did a video kind of explaining what's been going on with me and stuff. And obviously, if you want to go watch a video, have a little, you know, give you like a bit of a backstory of what's kind of been going on and whatever. But I've just been comfort eating, guys. I've been comfort eating, and that's obviously not going to help me on this weight loss journey. And I feel kind of a bit down about it, because I actually really wanted to use this opportunity to lose as much as I can before I do the surgery. Because obviously, I don't know how long the surgery is going to take. I don't know how long it's going to take me. I don't know how long I'm going to be on the waiting list for. I don't know. I do not know right now, right? So I wanted to kind of keep working towards that goal until, you know, until then. So I'm a bit disappointed. I am disappointed. I'm disappointed in myself at the moment. I'm not going to lie to you, but I guess I'm not going to give up. I'm not somebody that gives up, right? I don't give up easily. I am demotivated right now. I am demotivated. I got to say that to you guys. And I don't know, but let me know, you know, what's been going on with you guys. To all my weight loss soldiers, yes, all my weight loss soldiers, if you're on your journey still, what's been going on? If you're on the Exante, what's been happening? How you finding it? Are you doing Slimming World? How you finding it? You just trying to eat healthy? You calorie counting? Whatever you're doing, let me know how it's going. Let me know how you're getting on with it, because darling, maybe I'm gonna jump on that wagon with you, because right now the girl is feeling demotivated. I need me some extra encouragement, guys. I really do. I really need some extra encouragement. This is a struggle, and the struggle, darling, the struggle is real, okay? The struggle is real. But anyways, guys, I wanted to just come on and let you guys know what's going on, because I said to y'all, I will be transparent. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what it is, when it is, how it is, because it is. Okay, so I did say I'm gonna tell you guys the truth and nothing but the truth. So that's the truth, guys. So I just need to figure something out and see what I'm gonna do, because I need to get back on track. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I guess we'll know by next week when it's time for weight loss update. We'll know by next week, honey. Well, no, I'll let you guys know exactly what I decide to do and if I was able to do it. I'm gonna keep you posted. But for now, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for loving me still. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching me, guys. I appreciate you so much. I really, really do. I appreciate you so, so much. So please, guys, if you haven't yet, please go ahead and thumbs up this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I ask of you kindly. And when you do subscribe, I ask you also, please just turn on your notification bell so you get an update every single time the girl uploads a new video. Okay, guys, thank you so much again for watching me and for your support. I'll see y'all in my next video. Hopefully next Thursday it'll be a good news. But for now, y'all, keep it sassy-licious.